Dear students, good morning everybody. Today in this class we are going to start the poem The Blind Boy. The poem The Blind Boy was written by Holy Simon. Before we are going to start this poem, we are going to know about the poet Holy Simon. Holy Simon was an English poet. He was also a dramatist, novelist. He wrote so many plays or dramas. Nearly 25 dramas or plays he wrote. He wrote so many tragedy, comedy plays. Here in this poem, the poet Holy Simon, he want to explain or describe about the blind boy. The blind boy, how he was going to feel about the day or night. And also how he feel about the sunlight and moonlight. How he recognize whether it is day or night. How can you identify all those things? Even though he is not having eyes or he was a blind boy, how he gave a message to this world or this universe? How can he feel in the darkness, or he was the king of the darkness? Using that word, I am the king in the darkness. It means he was only the person. He was only the person he became a king for the sake for that darkness. Even he was a poor boy. Like this, the poet Holy Simon, you want to explain or describe this poem. Now, this poem is very important for the sake of final examination. It was one of the most important memorized poem. Maybe it is in the examination point of view, it is 4 marks for the memorization. So that students, we are going to memorize this poem must and should. Let us, your teacher, recite this poem. Let's you are going to look at the text correctly. The Blind Boy, written by Holy Simon. Oh, say, what is that thing called life, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell you, poor blind boy. You talk of wonders, think you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? Oh, say, what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell you, poor blind boy. My day or night, myself I make, whenever I sleep or play. And would I ever keep away, with me it will always stay. With heavy sighs I often hear, you know my helpless woe. But sure with patience I can bear, alas I never can know. which I must never enjoy. What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wonders, things you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel it warm, but how can he or make it day or night? Oh, say what is that thing called life, which I must never enjoy? I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? By day or night, myself I make whenever I sleep or play. And could I ever keep away with me fair always stay? With heavy sighs I often hear you murmur my helpless woe, but sure with patience I can bear a loss I never can know. Oh, say what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sun? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mine destroy. While thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy, although a poor blind boy. Oh, say what is that thing called life, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Dear students, like this you are going to recite this poem. This poem is a memorization poem for the sake of annual examination. It got 4 marks. Here in this poem, the poet Paul Seibert want to explain about that. Oh, say what is that thing called light? How we are going to say that it is the light, brightful light, which I must never enjoy. The blind part, he cannot never enjoy the brightfulness, the colorfulness, the brightfulness of the sunlight. The blind boy himself, he want to say like this, he cannot feel how the sunlight was and how I must never enjoy. I will never enjoy the sunlight here. What are the blessings of the sight? I cannot see, I cannot look that how that sun bright is, how that the sun was brightfulness, what was the blessings of the sight, how that sun was blessing every day for the sake of this world. I can't see it, I can't enjoy it, I can't feel it, how that sunlight was. Oh, tell your poor blind boy, the poor blind boy himself, he want to say that I cannot saw that sunlight, how he cannot feel the brightness of that joy, he cannot enjoy the brightness of that sunlight. You talk of wonders, things you see. So in this world, so many wonders have happened. So many wonderful things are here. But I cannot sight, I cannot feel it, I cannot enjoy that wonders of this world. Because I am a blind, poor blind boy. You say the sun shines bright. Always the people say about the sunlight, how it is powerful, how it is brightful, how they are enjoying that sunshine bright. I feel him warm, but how can he? Just I feel him that heat. I feel that heat of that sunlight. But how can I feel that sun is very brightful? Just I am feel that the warm of that heat of that sunlight. I feel it warm, but how can he or make it day or night? Here the poet describe about the blind boy, how he feel about that whether it is day or night. If it is day, there is a sunshine. If it is night, there is no sunshine. No, he cannot feel it. He cannot enjoy it. Only the moonlight is day. My day or night, myself I make. Myself, I want to know whether it is a day or night, whether it is a night or day. So himself, he feels that whether if it is day or night. Whenever I sleep or play. Here the blind boy, he want to explain about the day or night. Himself, he want to say that when I went to for the sake of sleep, he himself assumed that it is night. When the blind boy he want to play on the ground, he himself he feel that it is day. Like that, my day or night myself I make, whenever I sleep or play. Here in this stanzas, the blind boy, when he go to sleep, he himself he feel that it is night. When he awake and also he want to play on the ground, he feel himself that is a day or sunshine. And could I ever keep awake with me fair always day? Always he feel that whether it is day or night, whether it is sunshine or moonlight, or sun brightness or moonlightness. With heavy sighs I often hear, with the heavy sighs, with the heavy sights of that sunshine, brightness of the sun, we are going to feel it is day. You mourn my helpless way. Here, mourn means sorrow, regret. Show sorrow of regret. Here, the people, they want to show the sorrow or the regret to that blind boy. You mourn my helpless. Helpless means unlucky. Because here, the blind boy want to say about his unlucky. Unlucky, I am unlucky because I can't see the beauty of this world. I can't see the brightness of the sun. I can't see whether it is a day or night. I feel it myself, himself, that is, helpless means unlucky. I am not lucky, I am unlucky like this. The blind boy himself, he want to blame his blind. You mourn my helpless woe, but surely patience I can bear. Even though I am blind, even though I am unlucky, even though I am more from the other people's, I want to tolerate that patience himself. I am having that patience in my life. I lost, I never can know. I lost all those things. I lost to see the beauty of this world and wonders of this world, the brightness of the sunshine or the bright of the moonlight, so that I am unlucky, I am helpless. Like this, the poet, he want to describe about the unlucky of this blind boy. Then let not what I cannot have. So the blind boy, here he want to know what I have not. I have not here. My cheer of mindless toy. Here, being a blind boy, I lost my all the satisfaction or all my happiness of mindless toy. My mind is just toy. All the happiness of of myself, or the kindness or happiness of the happiness was destroyed from my mind. Being a blind boy, I destroyed the cheerless of mind destroyed. While thus I sing, I am a king, for I am only the king in the world of darkness. The poet, you want to describe about the king, he was in a darkness. He was the king of darkness. He was only the person, he was the king of this darkness world. Although a poor blind boy, although a poor blind boy, being a poor blind boy, the blind boy himself, we want to explain all those things, how I feel myself, I am a poor blind boy. I am a poor blind boy. Here, the poet, the blind boy himself, we want to say, I am the king of this darkness world. Even though I cannot have that patience, I am having that patience. I am unlucky, I am full of sorrow, but even though I am the king of this darkness world. Like this, the poet he wants to explain this poem. Again, I recite this poem. Look at the text. Oh, say, what is that thing called life which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wonders, think you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? Or make it day or night? Oh, say, what is that thing called life which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wonders, think you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? My day or night, myself I make whenever I sleep or play. And could I ever keep away with me, fair always stay? Oh, say, what is that thing called life which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. With heavy sighs I often hear you on my helpless way. But sure with patience I can bear a loss I never can know. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mine destroy. While thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy, although a poor blind boy. Oh, say, what is that thing called light which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Like this, you are going to recite this poem with melodiously. So here in this lesson, so the main theme, main idea, central idea of this poem is even though the boy is very poor and also blind boy, he was having such a patience, and also he was thinking about his unlucky, and also he was very sorrowful. But even though he was the king of the darkness, but here the poet wants to say the feelings of the blind boy. How that blind boy he want to feeling all those things, whether it was a day or night, whether it is full sunshine or moonlight. Like this, even having a poor blind boy, he also know the feeling of his blindness. Have you understood this, students? Have you read it melodiously? It's a memorization poem for the sake of examination. Let us we are going to introduce these new words introducing here in this poem. First one is blessings. Blessings means happiness or favor. Here in this first stanza, the poet says like that: blessings of the sight. Blessings means happiness. Mourn means show sorrow of regret. Cheer or gladness. Hapless means unlikely. So these are the new words are introducing here in this poem. It is better to construct a sentence using these new words. You are going to practice these new words, how to construct a sentence. Let us here go through the homework here. Who was the poet of this poem? Who was the author or who was the poet of this poem? As I told you, the police cyber is the poet or author of this poem. Second one, how the blind boy feel about sunlight. As we told you about this question also, how the poor blind boy, he want to feel whether it is day or night or whether how he want to feel about the sunlight. Whose voice is it in the poem? Whose voice is it in the poem? How does a blind boy understand whether it is day or night? As I explained that all those things, how the poet he explains all those things, whether it is day or night, whether it is sunshine, whether it is moonlight, how the unlucky poor blind boy feel himself about his blindness. Even though he is a poor blind boy, he was only the person, he was the king of this wonderful world or the world of darkness. Himself he feel that he was about his unlucky and also he was helpless or he was cheer of his gladness about this old blind boy. So like this, dear students, here in this poem, the poet wants to explain all those things, how that blind boy was or feels. Yes, students, you know, so many blind people are wandering in the road, on the road. You know how how you the students, being students, you are going to help the blind people, how they were going to across the road. How the blind people, they want help from the others, how they feel about their life, how can they want to feel about their feelings or the blind boy's life. Because you know that this is in this world so many blind persons, blind children also living here. You are going to think about this blind persons, those who are living in this world. Being students, you are going to help all the people, those who are blind persons, those who are blind people, so that you are going to know that you are always help others, those who are blind peoples. You are the blind peoples. You the people having that eyes or sight, you are going to enjoy the world, wonderful world, or you are going to saw all those things in this world. But compared to that blind boy's life or poor blind boy's life, we are going to help the peoples, we are going to help the blind boy persons in this world. So like that, here the police cyber, the poet, he wants to explain all those things which he know about persons. Yes, any doubts from this poem? I think that you are going to understand this poem. It is better to write again and again to practice this poem for the sake of examination purpose. This poem contains 4 marks in this annual examination. So, dear students, we are going to practice. Write again and again. You are going to practice this poem again and again in this annual examination purpose. Are you okay? So, you are going to write this poem in your homework. It is better to practice is make maths perfect. So that purpose you are getting 4 marks from this poem. So that you are going to try to practice this poem in your house. That's why it is better to make a memorization. Memorization is very easy because also we are going to practice this poem melodiously. Melodiously, we are going to practice this poem in this time because of it contains 4 marks from this for the sake of examination. So I think you are all understood this poem. I think we are going to know very well from this poem how the blind boy is feeling about himself. You are the people, you are the student, you are going to help the blind persons where they were living in this world. Because you are the people having the all sides to look this wonderful world or beautiful world, so that you are the students who are going to help others like blind people. Have I understood this lesson? This poem, students? Yes. You are going to practice this poem, reciting that you are having to memorizing this poem. For going again, right and right, or you are going to practice again and again in your homework, then you are getting good marks in this examination. Have you understood this poem, my dear students? Okay. So you are also go through these new words, go through these homework questions. It is a simple questions we are giving here. So that we are going to again we are going to say that this poem is very important for the sake of examination. Here also so many grammar points also coming here. We are going to analyze that in this poem. So many grammar points. Yes, have you understood this poem, my dear students? Yes. Let us today we are going to stop here in this period. Let us we are going to continue in this the next period itself. In the next period we are going to memorize one by one in this classroom. Let us we are going to stop here, continue in the next class. Thank you very much.